Here are 3 facts. This is the Rilshow channel. It's the end of summer, and we have this striped watermelon. This means one thing. It's time for watermelon craft. As usual, I get video ideas from your comments on previous videos. And probably the most frequent comment is to build a watermelon house. Okay, a house it is. It's been a while since we built one. First, we need to cut the watermelon into 3 parts, slicing it along the stripes. Set aside the outer pieces and focus on the middle part. We need to cut out something square-like and then remove it. In the past, we always built with just the rind of the watermelon, but this time we'll use the flesh as well, which can be eaten later. So we should end up with something like this. These are the future walls of the house. Now put one of the hemispheres back, place the walls on top, and trim them to increase the contact area. To prevent the flesh from sliding off the rind, secure it with toothpicks in each corner from the inside. Of course, we need to cut out the door as well. By the way, is it sweet? Yummy. We also cut out 2 windows and used toothpicks for the window frames. I made the door from 2 popsicle sticks, and it looks pretty good. In front of the door, cut out a few steps in the rind. And the watermelon house on the hill is starting to take shape. Now, we just need to build the roof, and everything will be ready.
What about me?
What about you? You'll have to clean up.
Why me? Pancake the sheep made a mess everywhere, and I had nothing to do with it.
As they say, we are responsible for looking after our pets.
As always, I'm the scapegoat. When I lock her up, I won't let her out anymore. I'll go find her.
From the central cube of flesh, cut out 4 triangles and attach them to the walls of the house with the same toothpicks. Stick a couple of long skewers into the central inner part. They will hold the entire roof. Cut the roof boards from the watermelon rind and place them in position. The roof should be flat, but the rind surface is curved, so we need to cut several notches in each board, but not all the way through. This way, the watermelon rinds can take any shape. Trim the protruding ends of the toothpicks and place another roof element on top. Builders call it the ridge. It would also be nice to make a round window in the attic space. With that, the house will look more complete. And that's it.
Now, this is a house. It looks straight out of a fairy tale. Wait, don't eat it yet. Look how beautiful it turned out.
It can stay like this for about 3 days.
And then?
Then you have to eat it, or it will spoil. And it's better to keep it in the fridge.
So for Pancake to live in a watermelon house for a whole year, changing the house every 3 days, it would be about 122 watermelons a year. Yeah, Pancake, that's very expensive.
You'd get tired of eating a watermelon house every 3 days.
And you'd get tired of building them.
Oh yeah.
That's it. Pancake is under house arrest now, so she won't litter everywhere.
Did you lock her in the watermelon house?
Yeah.
but she was already eager to try it.
So? Oh shoot, that means she's gonna eat the whole house. The house seems fine, still intact. And what's this? I knew it. I mean, real knew it. Pancake, stop eating the house. Meh.